Welcome to ECC Maths. This is a question from 2024 JEE main question paper. The question is n minus 1 CR equal to k square minus 8 into NCR plus 1 if one only. If this result is true, then what is the 4 option is true? We want to find what is the necessary and sufficient condition for true of this result. Now we take the question NCR n minus 1 CR equal to k square minus 8 NCR plus 1. So we have to use the formula NCR. So we know that formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, now n minus 1 CR, we bring the term of left hand side NCR plus 1, divide of the left hand side NCR plus 1 is equal to k square minus 8. Now we have to use this formula. We can write NC n minus 1 CR, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by r plus 1 r factorial into n minus 1 minus r factorial whole divided by, again we use the formula for denominator, that is n factorial divided by r plus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to k square minus 8, that is the denominator. We take the reciprocal to bring the numerator, that is we write numerator, and we take the reciprocal of the denominator to bring the numerator, that is n factorial, that is r plus 1 factorial into n minus r minus 1 factorial by n factorial is equal to k square minus 8, that is here n factorial n minus 1 factorial divided by, here n minus r minus 1 factorial, here also n minus r minus 1 factorial. So we can cancel it. Then n minus 1 factorial, we can write this r factorial into, we can write the r plus 1 factorial, write as r factorial into r plus 1 divided by, like way we can write n factorial as n minus 1 factorial into n is equal to k square minus 8. Now we can cancel the n minus 1 factorial and also r factorial. So now we have r plus 1 by n is equal to k square minus 8. Okay, first of all, by the formula NCR means r is greater than or equal to 0. So here the problem is n minus 1 CR. So we have r greater than or equal to 0 and also r plus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0. So combine these two results, we have r is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. If r is greater than or equal to 0, then r plus 1 is greater than 0. R plus 1 is greater than 0. So r plus 1 is greater than 0. R plus 1 by n is also greater than 0. So r plus 1 by n is greater than 0 means k square minus 8 is greater than 0. K square is greater than 8. So modulus of k is greater than root 8. That means 2 root. Root 8 means 2 root. That is minus 2 root 2 is greater than k is greater than plus 2 root. Okay, now For the NCR formula, n is greater than or equal to r. So now consider this term, n is greater than or equal to r plus 1. Divide by n, 1 is greater than or equal to r plus 1 by n. So r plus 1 by n is less than or equal to 1. The value of r plus 1 by n is k square minus 8. So the k square minus 8 is less than or equal to 1. Bring the minus 8 to the left hand side. 9 is greater than or equal to k square. So taking square root, 3 is greater than or equal to modulus of k. This means 3 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to is greater than or equal to minus 3. You write in reverse, minus 3 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to plus 3. So now considering the two result 1 and result 2, what is the value of k? We take the real line minus infinity to plus infinity. Consider center as origin. Put minus 2 root 2. Here positive 3. Here we take negative 3. So 2 root 2 is between 0 and 3. Here 2 root 2 and here minus 2 root 2. So equation 1 say the value of k is minus infinity minus 2 root 2 2 minus infinity and plus 2 root 2 2 plus infinity. So this is the value of k. And equation 2, so the value of k is from minus 3 to plus 3. So combine equation 1 and 2, the intersection of the value of k, that is this portion is the required value of k. So here is the value of k is minus 3 to minus 2 root, that is minus 3 less than or equal to k less than minus 2 root. And the value of k is 2 root 2 is less than k less than or equal to 3. Now the value of k, either negative side is from minus 3 less than minus 2 root 2 and positive range is 2 root 2 less than k less than or equal to 3. So look the options. This result is they given in option number 1. So 2 root 2 less than k less than or equal to 3. The first option is the correct answer. Thank you.